Sonst geht die Aaren selber.
Yeah, so the date's the 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja, Skappabergs, and then 8 Stekis and there were actually 3 more Stekis here after all. Stekis and we're gonna go to the 2 other ones also. We have also filmed the Stekis A, B, and C here, of course. It was built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022, and it will be inspected again. The SIN number SVS 2880. 5 floors here. 6 A, B, and C has 6 floors. There's 5, but of course, also this has to be filmed.
Yeah.
Even though the Stekis A, B, and C are more amazing.
Mm.
It's great that they still built 3 more elevators here, even though that's just 5 floors.
Yeah.
And it's also in Martinlaakso, Mortensdal, and Vantaa, Western Vantaa, in Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusi-Maariland, Finland. So that's right.
Inspekteerbaar wijs op dat meteen bij zo'n cirkel.
Yeah. That's it, thank you very much for watching. Now let's go to the stakes in here. You can also hold the other stakes.
That's